Hi Capricorn, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's going to be a quick reading. That I will draw out one card, and there'll be a lot of clarifications, and I'll be taking out some additional oracle messages for you guys. So let's get started, Capricorn. You've got the Two of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles over here. Some of you could be feeling some kind of delays when it comes to work, some kind of decision that you want to make. You're feeling confused about whether or not to go ahead with certain things in your life. You're faced with two choices and you're unable to make those choices as of now. The angels want you to concentrate on your work. If you're faced with choices regarding your work, then you should talk about growth with your colleagues and peers and see what are they talking about, how are they suggesting things to you, how are they advising you. You get messages from the way people talk also, so make sure that you discuss any work related issues with your colleagues and your business partners. Let's draw out more clarifiers. As I mentioned, these readings are going to be quick so that there is no time waste. And if you like this reading, please leave a like, share with your friends, or comment. And if you already haven't, please subscribe. Okay, some of you could be faced with a choice between two lovers, two partners, a partner from the past, a partner from the present, Capricorn. Lot of choices and dilemmas, and I see that you could be getting emotionally drained because of these choices, but don't worry, it's not going to last very long. Very soon you're going to come to a conclusion. If you have to choose a lover, a partner, you'll be very successful. If you have to choose a business, work related choices, it's going to be very successful. If you want to choose between a specialization course or education or something like that, even there you'll be very successful. Don't worry. Number 6, 2, and 8 are very important, so keep an eye out for those. Yeah, you've got the 7 of Cups over here. Again, a lot of choices. A lot of things are taking away your attention. You may be feeling a little, what do you say? You may be feeling a little confused about what to focus on, how to go about it, how to um, prioritize things. But you know what? It's just a passing phase. Do not worry about it. If you're feeling drained, go rest, rejuvenate, go play, go on treks, go on hikes, go swimming, do anything to change the energy. Spend time in nature, be with animals, be with your loved ones. Um, this is a thing, this is a period that is a little stagnant, but it's not going to last very long. So don't worry. You're going to make a very good choice, whatever conclusions you do come to, they're going to be in your benefit. Okay, wow, you've got the Eight of Wands. These are all about communications, about choices, about things that are sometimes things work, sometimes they don't, sometimes they come really close to working out and then everything just falls apart. But it's okay, you're being protected from something that is not good for you in the long run. Have that faith, Capricorn, because that is what is going to guide you in the long run. You've got the Seven of Wands. Conflicts between people, conflicts between you and somebody else's um, perspective on life, difference of opinion, a lot of turmoil, basically mental turmoil, and I see that you guys are getting drained, you guys are getting tired, you don't feel like carrying on anymore. But just hang in there, Capricorn. This is a trying time, but it's not going to last very long, as I mentioned. Okay. I've got the Tower card over here. Something is going to change. It may feel as if the world is ending, but Capricorn, it's going to happen in your favor. Like everything else, all the decisions, all the choices, all the conclusions are in your favor. Number 16 or 7 could be important. Number 1 could be important. So keep an eye out for those. Let's see some extra oracle messages for you. I just see choices, choices, and more choices, Capricorn. The answer is no, but it's not a very strong no. It can be changed if a course of action is changed, if something is changed in the way things are going right now, the answer can change, okay? Don't worry about it. Listen to your intuition. If you're guided to if you're guided to be a certain way, talk a certain way, go about a certain thing in a way that others may not approve of right now, but once they see that you are going with your gut feeling and that you're not just thinking about your own self, you're thinking about the greater good, they will come around. Don't worry. This no could be for a decision that you know you're taking and is right, but others may not approve of it. Excuse me. Don't dim to fit in. You don't have to please everyone. If you are going about something, if you know, as simple as basic as your dressing sense, if you want to dress up the way you want to, just go ahead. Do not wear uncomfortable clothes or uncomfortable shoes just to fit in, because in the long run, the people who are judging you right now will always keep finding something or the other to judge you. So it's better to let them judge you and they can go to hell, and you be you, okay? Because you will attract people who are just like you, and don't worry about those who do not accept you the way you are. Wow. Never forget that the intelligence of the universe lies within you. You know, all of us are born with a part of the universe within us. We are all born out of stardust, so do not worry. If somebody is trying to tell you that you're a dummy, do not fall for it, because you know deep down you're smart, you're intelligent, and you've got this, okay? A win win outcome is forecast. Step out of your comfort zone. Don't let pride get in your way. The energy is gaining momentum. End of a tough cycle, Capricorn. Your energies, apart from Capricorn, there is Leo and Libra also present over here. Let's see an affirmation for you, Capricorn. My greatest spiritual shifts don't come through force, they come through freedom. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of love, freedom of anything and everything, basically. Do not hurt anyone, of course. Do not go about creating havoc in other people's lives. Just be free to do and accept yourself the way you are, but do not by any way harm anyone. Okay, Capricorn? This was all for you. Thank you so much for coming by and giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to serve you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.